Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you Isewu recipe. Isewu is goat head, an interesting delicious delicacy that you will love to learn how to make, especially if you want to get to your husband's heart. They say good food will make you gain your husband's heart, right? Yeah. So today I'm giving you a free master class on how you can make a mouth-watering Isewu recipe that you will love. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. My Isewu, it's been nicely washed. They didn't cut this Isewu for me, but it's okay. Hubby is going to cut it for me before he leaves for work this morning. He already promised that. Yeah, so this is me cooking it now. I'm going to cook it until it is a little soft so that my husband can be able to cut it down for me before I start doing the proper cooking. All right. Because it was not cut, so I had to cook it this way just to get it softened. Once it is soft, my husband will cut it in the bit sizes. Okay, and then we'll start doing the proper cooking. Stay tuned. My husband helped me to cut this, like I told you all. You know, I took this Isewu to butcher, and they said they were going to collect $50 to butcher it for me. Just this quantity. My husband said no. For just 2 Isewu, $50. He said bring it back. And my sister called me and said, parboil it first, cook it down first, and then it will be easy to be cut. And that was exactly what I did. I first cooked it, and then my husband was able to cut. In Nigeria, my goat meat sellers cut my Isewu before they bring it to my shop. Look at this one. I couldn't cut because it's too big. I'm just going to season it and make sure it's well cooked so we can start mixing. So I have onion here. Go in with your onion if you like. Here I have some yellow onion, ginger, garlic. I'm going to add it in. And I have some peppers. I'm still going to add some more pepper. I'm going to blend some more peppers in. I like my food hot and spicy. Goat meat needs pepper, but if you don't eat pepper, you can skip it completely. For those who don't know what Isewu is goat head, okay? I'm doing the old school method. I'm going to add everything in and let it cook. Add your Maggi in. Be gentle with Maggi and salt. This is Isewu. You don't need too much seasoning. Okay? I'm going to go in with crayfish. They call this pepper chocolate pepper here, which is Cameroon pepper. And it is very delicious and very hot. This is my ehuru. I'm going to go in with my ehuru. You can also add efuru if you have efuru for your Isewu. You can use efuru and ehuru. By the time it is properly cooked and all of this marinates into it, it's going to give you a delicious Isewu. I'm going to go in with salt. Cover your Isewu and allow it to cook until it is well cooked. This is about 12 minutes later. Let's check. Oops. Guys, it's doing good. We're going to add our oil, guys. Isewu doesn't waste time. Oh yeah, doesn't waste time. I'm doing this Isewu the business way, okay? The way we used to do it back in the days. So to also get a delicious Isewu, you're going to use the brain, just like I'm bringing out the brain. Whenever you use the brain, you get a very delicious Isewu, trust me. I'm going to add ungo also. I'm also going to be adding ungo, which is the palm kernel ash. I will use that for this recipe also. You can use akaun. Akaun is potash. I don't eat potash. So I am just adding my ungo. Just add your ungo into a very cold water or warm water and allow it to settle down. Add it into your Isewu. I have often told you guys here that I had a kitchen before I traveled to America, and this is one of the ways we usually make our Isewu. If you want to be very fast and quick to attend to your customers, you have to find a way to get your food ready and deliver fast to your customers so they can always patronize you next time. So guys, our Isewu is ready and we are ready to go and enjoy this Isewu We enjoyed this Isewu together as a family, and trust me, it was an interesting occasion with my family members. We had this for New Year and it was just amazing. Guys, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end so you can go and make this for your family. All right? Isewu is an interesting delicacy back in Nigeria. That's when you are making Isewu for customers, they want you to separate certain parts of the Isewu so they can really see the Isewu, like the eyes, the ears, and the tongue. These parts for Isewu are very important for anybody who requests Isewu from your shop or from you. I don't know if you have noticed this. If you have, please drop your comments on that comment section. Now I'm just separating the parts like the ear, the tongue, and the eyes. Yeah, so that my fathers can see the eyes, see the ears, and see the tongue of the Isewu. If you have noticed this, like, just let me know in the comment section. Guys, things like this are very interesting, but nobody has given me answers why they asked for these three parts of the Isewu. Another interesting part is the juice. I love the juice. I love it so. Now we are going to garnish with vegetables. The most interesting part for this Isewu for me is the vegetables. Yeah. The vegetables for me is everything, guys. Try not to put it everywhere so that whoever does not want the bitter leaf can just take the onion. Look at this Isewu, guys. Do you want to know how to do this Isewu? Watch this video from the beginning to the end. This is our Isewu. This is the end result. Guys, I hope you're going to try this. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. I haven't posted all our New Year videos, but this is one of it. I just wanted to post this so you guys can enjoy this Isewu recipe. I hope you love this video. And I want to say a very huge thank you to each and every one of you for staying till this moment. If you have, I'm grateful. God bless you mightily. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Kuchistin, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye. See you soon.